Good morning, I'm Vidi. Welcome to Grandma's Kitchen. Today we'll show you 3 easy dinners you can make in under 5 minutes. Which is your favorite? Comment below and I'll reveal my favorite at the end. Watch until the end. You'll enjoy all 3. Let's start with the first one. It only has 3 ingredients and turns out spectacular. Sausage boats. Throughout the video, I'll be telling you the ingredients. And if you don't have them, they're detailed below in the text box. Or you can hit pause, grab a pen and paper, and copy them directly from the screen right now. Whatever you prefer. Let's get started. Even though it's not part of the recipe, if you want to do it like me, I recommend having some sliced bread nearby to make some toast. You'll see the final result. Let's start with the actual recipe. We make a cut down the center of the sausages all the way to the bottom so we can open them up completely. Use Frappeur type sausages or whichever ones you like best. Yeah, just follow the little trick. There you have it. We want to have a piece, a big space inside where we're going to put the rest of the ingredients. There you go. Look, on the flat side, it's much easier. There I have it. A little cut, a deep cut all the way through. And that's it. Little trick. If you put a small wedge of cheese on the sides, it won't close up and it'll be even easier. To prepare this wonder, we're going to use a non-stick pan if you don't really trust your pan or you want to make sure it works out. Rub a little bit of oil on the bottom so it's well greased. Butter would also work, and that way you'll prevent these sausages from sticking to the pan and messing things up. Look, the little wedges of cheese will help keep it open, and it'll be super easy to prepare. 1, 2... and 3, which are the ones I'm gonna make. Of course, you can make as many as you want. I assure you, they're quite filling. There they are. Let's move on to the next ingredient. In this case, eggs. Add them one by one to the center. And there's another one, and I have the last one left. Pretty easy, right? Incredibly easy and incredibly good. I'm gonna move this one and take a chance because the yolk ended up way off to the side. Tuguma. Challenge completed. Now it's time for the cheese. The cheese, a cheese that melts well in the corners, you'll be amazed. It's going to mix with the egg. It's going to be incredible. And the part that drips down will get crispy and super tasty. There I have it. Freshly done, super easy, it's amazing in just 30 seconds. Put it on medium heat. We've already got the pan ready. Cover it and wait. This will take about 30 seconds. If you like them rare, 1 minute. If you like them well done, well, there you go. We've got the sausages well covered. It won't take long at all. So I want to take this opportunity to tell you that if you haven't subscribed yet, you should do it. You just have to hit the little red button down below, and you'll be subscribed. Next to it is a small bell. Turn it on to get notified whenever I upload a video, which is at least twice a week, plus occasional extras. Do I love you? Absolutely, and it's free. After encouraging you to subscribe, I'm gonna take a look. There's still a bit left. It's only been about 15 or 20 seconds. If you give it a final touch, a fantastic curly parsley like this, it'll look amazing. Go for it, it'll add aroma, it'll add flavor, it goes really well. It's not mandatory, but it works great. Now it's ready. The cheese has already melted, the egg is set, just like it should be, nice and firm. A touch of parsley, a touch of aroma, a touch of flavor, and to the table, there you have them. My eggs with sausages without frying. Great recipe. Very easy, and we're adding our own twist. It works as a side for nearly any meal. For dinner, pair with potatoes or rice. For breakfast, try toast, bacon, cheese, or anything you like. Tomato and avocado also go well with it. Fantastic! This dish goes with everything. It's a hit. And for that, a hot pan, the bacon that we're going to put at the bottom, pork belly. Wow, this smells really good. It's one of my weaknesses. And it's fantastic for breakfast and for dinner. Hear that crunch? That's exactly what we want. Nice and crispy. Music to my ears. Once we have it, bread and bacon slices. Look at that. What a delicacy. It looks amazing. Tomato, a touch of freshness, and on top, our creation of sausage, egg, and cheese. Look at that. It looks incredible. I crown it with a bit of parsley in honor of Arguignano, and that's it. Look, I'm gonna cut it so you can see the inside. Check it out. The egg and cheese have mixed together, and it turned out fantastic. Look at that. Check out this bite. Don't tell me it doesn't look good. And as a breakfast, I guarantee you it's amazing. It's got everything. It's filling, a great breakfast, especially for Sunday. You get out of bed, and wow, what a breakfast. Riss Ross. Second, a classic. Homemade San Jacobos, made with 4 ingredients. Super crispy, super good, super easy. A magnificent dinner. You have to make it. You'll leave your guests speechless. Look at that cheese. 8 slices of ham and 4 slices of cheese, 1 egg, breadcrumbs, and flour. That's all. Riss Ross. Let's go. We begin the recipe with the egg. If you crack it outside the bowl where you're going to beat it, you'll have less chance of getting shell inside and making a mess. Beat it very well until it gains volume and turns foamy. You can add a pinch of salt if you like. A trick to make them thick and nice is to use 2 slices of cooked ham. Look, double. And just 1 slice of cheese on top. Let's prepare it like this. So that the cheese doesn't stick out from the edge, it should stay inside. And on top, 2 more slices of ham to close it. And you can repeat this as many times as you want. That way, it'll be thick and super good. There it is. Let's go with the next one. 2 slices of ham. One slice of cheese in the center. And 2 slices of ham on the outside, just like that. Next step, let's get the batter ready. A plate with flour. How much? Well, a big handful. I think I overdid it, but anyway. Another plate with breadcrumbs. There you go. And we'll also need the egg we beat earlier. There it is. So these 3 ingredients are going to make a fantastic crispy coating. Flour. First, so it sticks well, you won't have any problem, because it will stick to the ham without any difficulty. Let it soak in the egg. Let it get in well, because this will help the last ingredient, which is this breadcrumbs, stick perfectly. There you go. Press it a little, give it some energy, and you'll have enough. No need to double coat it. These 3 ingredients make it perfect. There you have it. And let's move on to the other one, because I'm only going to prepare 2. Hey. Super speed, flour, egg, breadcrumbs, A few turns and that's it. Come wash your hands and let's continue. I've only prepared these two, but you can make as many as you want. Why? Well, because you can freeze them. Prepare them like this, freeze them, and then you can fry them without needing to defrost or anything. The day you need them, take them out, fry them, and they're ready to serve. Fantastic. I'll go with these two. Another good little trick. Put it in the freezer. Even if you're going to use it right now, it doesn't matter. Put it in the freezer for 10, 15, 20 minutes, something like that, so it gets harder and fries even better. Now let's get to frying. In my case, I'm using sunflower oil. You can use light olive oil without any problem, or really any oil you like best. In goes the San Jacobo. You can see how the oil starts to bubble. That means it's going really well. The San Jacobo itself will let us know when it's ready because the edges will start to turn golden. How long will it take? Only 30 or 40 more seconds, right? As soon as you see the edges starting to turn golden on top and it begins to curve, that's the moment. We flip it over, one side will be ready and the other will be done right away. Since the San Jacobos are frying, I used sunflower oil, but you can use olive oil or even melted butter if you prefer. Personally, I like them best with sunflower oil. I'm going quickly because it'll only take about 30 more seconds. So if you're enjoying the recipe, subscribe below. There's a red button that says subscribe. Click it and you'll be subscribed. There's also a little bell next to it. Tap it. You'll activate notifications and you'll be notified when I upload a video. Usually at least 2 a week and sometimes more. I pull them out of my hat. I'm running now, or my food will burn. Yes, it's free. There it is. 30 seconds on each side. It's cooked perfectly, and now we just have to take it out. We're going to let it rest on a paper towel. Meanwhile, we fry the next one. It looks incredible. Wow. So while the second one finishes frying, I'm gonna start chopping some parsley. I've got it now. Look at this beautiful dish. So easy to prepare, with a touch of color, aroma, and everything thanks to fresh parsley. Almost ready to serve. Take it. There you have it. Let's sprinkle a little more parsley to give it that final touch. And that's it. There it is. I'm gonna take a bite. I'm gonna cut them open in the middle so you can see the different layers and how crispy the outside turned out. There it is. I flip it over like this. I think it won't get too squished, and there you have it. San Jacobo Ris Ras. Who can top that? Who has an easy dinner with ham and cheese? Wow, this is so good. It's delicious. It's really worth it. Go ahead and try making it. Wow, it's great. In third place, a quick, easy, affordable, and delicious dinner. It has it all. In third place, sausage rolls. An easy, quick, and affordable dinner that has everything to be a hit. Some rolls that I'm gonna fill, and they're gonna turn out amazing. I'm Vidi, this is Grandma's Kitchen. I'm gonna fill them with, you'll see at the end. And you, what will you use? Let me know in the comments. I read them all. First ingredient, sandwich bread, also known as bimbo or lactal bread in some countries. What do you call it in your country? What we're gonna do is roll it out with a rolling pin, and if you don't have one, you can use a small bottle. It's fine, just press it well until it's super thin. Next, 5 Frankfurt-style sausages. Let's go to a pan, add a pinch of oil, and in go our sausages. Let them brown. Meanwhile, let's get the next ingredient ready, cheese. Some slices of cheese that we're going to place on top of each of the flattened pieces of bread, just like that, in 30 seconds. The sausages are ready, and what we're going to do is take them one by one and place them like this on the edge on top of the cheese. Hot. That way the cheese melts and the next step becomes much easier for us. I'm gonna make 5 rolls, but if you want, you can make more. Here we go, we roll it up and place the sausage on the side. It's very easy, there's no excuse. We used sandwich bread, but you can also use corn tortillas. It turns out really good. You have to try it. Let's do the last one, and soon we'll have them all looking this nice. Makes you want to take a bite already, right? Well, let's keep going. We need 2 large eggs, size L, in a bowl, a dish, or a plate, just like our grandmothers used to do. It doesn't matter, it's for the coating. Here they go. We'll add a splash of milk, a little grandma's trick, also a pinch of salt, and a touch of freshly ground black pepper. I love fresh ground black pepper and a splash of milk. Grandma's trick to make the beaten eggs go further is to add more liquid, so you end up with more. It even turns out better because it's softer, and you use 1 less egg. Now we have it well beaten, and here we're gonna dip our fantastic sausage rolls. Ensure they're well coated and go straight into the hot pan with the same oil used for frying the sausages, which adds great flavor. We just place all the rolls in there, and that's it. You can also make these rolls in the oven, don't worry. Just leave a little space between them. Bake them until they're golden on top, about 5 minutes at 200 degrees, and they're ready. And if you're going to make them in a pan, you can use butter or oil, whichever you prefer. Things are going great, my friends. Look at the beautiful golden color on these rolls. As soon as you take them out, place them on a paper towel to absorb the excess oil, and the dish is ready. How amazing do they look on the table? Don't tell me they didn't turn out fantastic. There's gonna be a fight to see who eats the most. A little touch of parsley, fresh and aromatic, and that's it. Sausage rolls, a quick, easy, affordable, and delicious dinner ready in 5 minutes. Here we go, I'll cut one open so you can see inside. Look how juicy and flavorful it is with melted cheese. It's wonderful. That's all for today's show. And now, as promised, I'll tell you that my favorite is the first one, the sausage boats. They turn out spectacular. Make them, and you'll be surprised. Thanks for coming. Much love to you all. Subscribe to the channel. Give me a like. It's free. And I'll see you in the next video.